All right, next step. It's called the STSP step. All right, every goal you set, the first thing you need to understand, somebody else has achieved it. So the first S is, what is the strategy? Here's the biggest problem I've seen why people are stuck and not moving forward. Is because why? I said what got you here won't get you there. So you're applying the same strategies in your life. Telephone technique. When a new patient calls, let's talk about new patients. New patient calls. What is your strategy to convert that phone call into a appointment? That's it. That's your only role for the phone call. Phone call to appointment. Whatever you've been doing so far is getting a conversion rate of 40, 50%, whatever that is. It's like also, let's give a gym example. I want to build a six-pack, but you didn't keep doing Jeff press-ups every day, will give you six packs? Oh yeah, these guys, you got to talk to them about fitness. I am in no position to talk about fitness with you guys, right? So we have got some world-class achievers in here in different areas, right? So press-ups is not going to get you a six-pack, right? So you keep on doing press-ups every day, it's not going to be, and you're thinking, this is my strategy, this is my strategy. You convince yourself, this is my strategy. How many of you have convinced yourself that your strategy is the best? In anything you do, it's the best. Case conversion. Case conversion. Patient comes in, wants 10 veneers. I've got my style, I've got my strategy. I've got my strategy, and when I ask you, how long have you been using this? Oh, it's been years I've been using it. What's your conversion rate? 40, 50%. Sometimes patients don't accept it. Patients want to think about it, and patients sometimes need to ask their partner. What do we call that? Victim mentality. Straight away, patient is patient. I said, you need to have the ability to close all objections. Have you learned that? How do you close? If somebody says to you, I want to think about it, what do you say? Most of you don't know what to say to that. Okay? We're going to learn that. We're going to learn that. Attend the GPS, and I'll teach you that, right? But my point being is that strategy. Is everyone clear on that?